Got a lot of fun memories in here. From when we first bought the CB125 to where we are now. This place has changed so much. I mean, we've built 2 bikes in this room. It's crazy to think what you can do in such a small space. A little place for you to go and do what you love. It's not perfect, but this place was mine, and it has been mine for the past 2.5 years. But we need to move forward. Things need to move on. We need to progress. In order to do well in life, you don't stand still. You have to move forward. This room, it's been holding me back for reasons I won't go into. And today, we're going to be moving into the new workshop. So here we have it. We are pretty much all moved in. All my tools, everything is in here. It just needs some organisation work. We've got the Cafe Club banner up, and that means, yes, we may be doing some more Cafe Club merch in the near future. Let me know down below if that's something you're interested in. I'm super happy with this space. I'm super happy with how it's looking. There's things still going to be changing. There's still things that need to be added and improved upon. Some other benches to put in for where I'm going to be doing my welding and all that sort of stuff. But again, we're in, and that's the main thing. All I need to do now is get the XJ650 over here, and we'll be doing that in another video. So if you want me to do a tour of the container, let me know down in the comments. We might do that in the next video. And I'm super happy, and I cannot wait to get some bikes built in here, some things on the ramp, and just to get some good use out of it all. So thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.